Greetings, one and all. My name is David Sexton. I'm currently a resident of Jacksonville, Florida. I am a man who has been blessed to be married for 35 years. Same woman, and she's put up with me for this long. I have raised alongside with my wife four wonderful children. Regretfully, my children are spread around the United States. I have one who lives in Missouri and one who lives in Georgia, and two of them are residing in Virginia and going to Liberty University. I'm currently a school teacher at Fruit Cove Middle School here in Florida, and I'm pursuing a degree in educational technology. My hopes are that I will finish my degree in May of next year, and as for after that, I'm not really quite sure exactly where I'm going to go with that. I hope this course is something that will help me to continue to prepare for my future as an educator and be able to serve the school that I'm working for. Trying to decide on a word to describe the most important trend in education in relation to technology to me is I'm going to go with individualization. Education has in the past been an effort to deliver information to a group and to try to make it as age appropriate as possible while trying to disseminate as much information to as many people as possible at the given time. Perhaps a few fell through the cracks as part of the effort, but the losses were kind of to be expected when we're trying to reach the majority of the students. With the continued presence of technology and rapid advancements that are taking place, we are no longer attached to the masses and now have the ability to establish specific learning plans for the individual that we're teaching and try to reach them where they are and perhaps take them farther than before. But this education model is able to do it at their own pace. The reason I chose this word is because of the trends I am seeing at different levels of education. For example, the trend for the lower education, elementary education, is to give students assignments, have them go home and practice them at home, either on the computer or with their parents, and then bring the information back the next day and have the lesson reinforced. In middle and high school classes, we are actually doing what's called an inverted classroom, where the students go home and they practice information from a video that they've watched and try to master the task on their own, and then come back again, once again at the school to be reinforced. And in college, well, the online classes are now becoming a staggering number of enrollment. So with this in mind, I see the future of education as self-taught and facilitator motivated. Education and educators will no longer be the focus of the classroom. The lesson will be the focus of the classroom, and the students will be going at their own pace.